Oh, hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So what's going on right now? So it's good to be back. So it's been a week that I didn't make videos, but before that, if you're new to this video, please don't forget to click subscribe and also hit the notification bell for to be updated in my next video. And if you love to, can also click that like button, write some comments and share this video. So shout out for Shells and Clifford Quijano. So thank you so much guys for your support. And if you want to be shout out, just comment down below and you will be shout out in my next video. So there are all sorts of things that keep us from studying, like simply not knowing where to start, or maybe just wanting desperately to finish another chapter of that book that you're reading or TV series that you're watching. So if you struggle when it comes to studying, then take heart, because for this time guys, I'll share to you 5 tips, or what I called 5S on repairing your study habits. So if you are that person who really struggles when it comes to studying, then please keep watching this video. So are you ready? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so number 1, the first S is sleep. Yes, you need to sleep, because how well do you actually pay attention in class if you are sleepy? Not everyone needs 8 hours of sleep to be fully functioning during the day, but everyone needs sleep to function well. In order to actually retain what you're studying during the day, good quality sleep is crucial because it improves concentration and productivity. There's just nothing else quite like it, so sorry, coffee. Number 2, stay organized. Have you ever written down something on a to-do list that's already finished but you wanted the satisfaction of crossing it off? Instead of merely listing what you need to get done, write out a realistic schedule that includes time for Bible devotions, rest, and even laundry. By blocking out your week with all the things you need to do to keep functioning as a human being, you'll avoid overbooking and actually leave enough time for you to study in between works, student orgs, and that party on Friday night for once. Some people prefer good old-fashioned paper and pen versus an online format, but there's no right or wrong way to write out your schedules. Just find out what works best for you and just stick to it. Number 3, stop procrastinating. I think this is really one of my struggle. Procrastination and distractions are a huge study blocker. Oftentimes, technology gets in the way of productive studying, like Facebook or other social media platforms where we usually spend most of our time. As we all know, having the TV playing in the background or blaring your favorite songs while trying to finish that 8-page paper due tomorrow is distracting. Putting off your homework or letting yourself get distracted leads to worse outcomes more often than not. You'll feel more anxiety and stress, disappointment in yourself, and you'll have lower motivation because you put off that huge project till last minute. All of these things can be avoided by being diligent, focus, and staying on top of your homework. Number 4, start small. Spending too many hours staring at the textbook in front of us or flipping through the note cards we've gone over 15 times already is something you may be guilty of. An easy way to avoid this is to break it up and start small. Decide what is going to take you the longest to finish and what will be the quickest. Be real about it too. If you know you can start with something you know you can finish, then this will help you to feel like you're getting somewhere and will only make the rest go smoother. Break your study time up as well. Quit staring at the textbook for an hour straight. Instead, read for 20 minutes, then take a short 5-minute break to get up and stretch, or to look at your phone you've been dying to check. And lastly, number 5, stay positive. Have you ever noticed how hard it is to get something done when you're in a bad mood? It's not easy. In order to best absorb the given material and to finish your homework quickly and well, your attitude needs to be in the right place. You might dislike the topic you're working on and might be difficult, but with a negative attitude, it's really hard for you to accomplish much of anything. Find a few things that will help you to have a positive attitude, like a good cup of coffee, stopping and talking to a friend, or looking up for funny videos on YouTube. With a positive attitude, you'll be more open and interested to the information and material you have in front of you. So that's it guys. So I hope that these 5 tips or 5S help you on repairing your study habits. I know there will really be a great adjustment, especially for us students, because of this new normal caused by COVID-19, and I know there are still some students like me who continue doing doing their homeworks, projects, reports, and all those set of activities needed to be done to comply and to be submitted online. So I hope that this video encouraged you guys to study and to finish all those things and stuff. So thank you so much guys for watching till the end of this video. I really appreciate it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe guys. So stay home, keep safe, God bless everyone, keep smiling, and see you in my next video.